Good morning, my name is Tosin and I'm live from the streets of Abuja. I'm checking out some of the most popular breakfast food in Abuja right now. So I'm going to be starting out with the popular Akara, and then after Akara I'm going to try out Yam and Egg. For those who don't know, yam, it's like a cousin to potatoes. Then from there I'm also going to try out Indomie noodles. There's a breakfast version and the way they make it that makes it very distinct, and I do hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my channel. Thank you very much. The first thing I'm trying out is called Akara. It's a popular bean cake. It's basically beans grinded together and fried inside hot oil. It's freshly made. It's a popular breakfast here, and you can either have it with bread or custard or anything you like to have it with. It's one of those popular dishes that workers in Abuja typically eat. She's stirring out the bean flour here. My name is not Frank. So as you can see, the flour is dipped inside the oil, and now we have to wait for some minutes for her to flip it until it's ready. So you can either take this with gari or bread or rice or anything you want to eat it with. That's the beauty of the food. It's quite flexible and it can be eaten with anything. It's easy to make. This process is taking less than 5 minutes, and before you know it, your Akara is ready. You can have anything you want to. The food is ready. Here is it. I'm just gonna have a taste in front of you guys. So like I said, you can either have it with bread, which is what I'm doing now. Bread, split it into two. Put some Akara inside it. Here is it. That's what it looks like. Okay, here we go. This is really good. Cost me about 100 naira for the Akara and another 100 naira for the bread. So that's 20 naira, which is under, it's about 40 cents basically. So this is a 40-cent breakfast. It's very filling. I was going to give this an easy 8 over 10. No dispute. It's very awesome. What I'm visiting is called Desk Kitchen in Garki. You can check them out if you're ever in Abuja. They make awesome breakfast meals, and they're making two for me today. The first one is Yam and Egg sauce. Then afterwards, they also make Indomie noodles for me as well. Indomie noodles is quite popular. It came from Indonesia, but it's won over a lot of people in Nigeria. So you're going to see a lot of people that consume the food. So this restaurant is right next to a garden. So you can have this view. And here is it. So come here if you're ever in Garki or Abuja. So it's going inside this pot instead. You can see it being sliced. So how long will it take to boil?
10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay.
10 minutes is ready. Everything is ready because we prepared, as we are cooking yam here, we're doing sauce here.
Ah, okay.
The problem is, you know, Nigerians, they'll be like, no, we are taking time. But we have to give out fresh.
She has a two-phase pot. She can cook two things at the same time. So under 15 minutes, she's going to make fresh sauce for me. Which is what she's been slicing the tomatoes and onions for. And we're just waiting for it to cook. And by the time the sauce is done, the yam will have also boiled as well. So that's killing two birds with one stone. Yeah. Oh, there's some tomatoes. So I can smell the excitement already, the oil cooking with the tomatoes and the onions, and some spring onions are being chopped right now to be added to it. And I can tell you it's going to taste amazing once this is done. Okay, is that curry? Maggi, oh, okay. And then the egg sauce goes in. Voila. So this is what the finished product looks like. Noodles, egg sauce, and yam. So can you help me have a taste of it right away? Okay. Some eggs. Ooh. Very fresh and very spicy. I like it. Let me get that about you. She's shy. Thank you. And I'll step you down with this. Let me closer. The thing I'm waiting for right now is the Indomie noodles. It's a popular dish here, and you can mix it up with anything, carrots, eggs, anything you want to mix it up with basically. It's also a quick dish, and under 15 minutes it can be made. The vegetables are being chopped for me right now, and I'm just waiting for everything to start and get done. Sorry, am I blocking you? Okay. Some onions are being sliced as well. Okay. Product looks like. Okay, so they also have their own special tiger nut here. Here is it. I'm gonna have a taste of it. What's tiger nut made of?
You know,
What English word?
tiger nut is aya. The English word is tiger nut.
No, the fruit.
So that's this small thing. They sell together with
I know that thing is the English word.
It's tiger nut.
It's tiger nut.
Oh, the English word is tiger nut.
Yeah, that's why they call it tiger nut drink.
Okay, awesome then. Okay. So this is called the tiger nut drink. It's a popular snack soup and nothing else. It's a very healthy option for you to have
No
with your
sugar,
no sugar, no preservative, and I will just have a taste of it right away. Quite milky, sweet, and somewhat salty. Let me have the noodles. I think the fact that it was stir fried gives it this very unique taste. It's not something I see, or I've not had a lot of Indomie noodles that taste like this, but obviously I've eaten a lot of it. Absolutely delicious. I love it. This fine girl, she's the assistant chef. Say hello, baby.